Well, hello there, guys. There's something in the growing community that everybody's familiar with. Whether you're growing giants, you're in the garden, even on construction sites, you're all familiar with old trusty wheelbarrow. And what can you do without a wheelbarrow? Well, not much. And yeah, I say wheelbarrow, or I say wheelbarrow, or wheelbarrow. Okay, don't get hung up on the way I say it. Just know I'm talking about this here piece of equipment that is absolutely needed, without a doubt, in the garden or in the gardening community, whatever you want to call it. You need this piece of equipment, and without it, your job's pretty tough because you're left to do it all by yourself. Well, the other day, this happened right here. We've got this humongous piece of rust here going on, and I have never, in all my years, ever seen a wheelbarrow handle go bad, especially a metal one. And this one is plumb ate up with rust. I mean, it's just rusted so bad, it's not even funny. I mean, it just got holes all in it. And I don't know why, because the other side ain't like that. The other side seems to be just fine. But this side here, it's a goner. Yeah, it's a goner. Now, I sent the wife to go buy me a replacement. And it's supposed to be the same length as this one here. But unfortunately, when I got it here, we got some major differences. This here has two holes on this end to keep this strap here on the bottom. This one has one. We got the two holes here that hold our wheel on for the bracket for our wheel, but they're just a little off. These holes here are off about a 1/2 inch to a 1/4 inch, somewhere around in there. They don't line up quite right. So what are we going to have to do? Well, we're going to have to take this thing apart, make sure that it is off, because I know it's off. I can see it right here. Just as sure as I am a living and a breathing, it is off. So we're going to have to take it. We're going to have to flip it like that, okay? And we're going to have to, well, actually like this. And we're going to have to drill our holes up through here, and never mind these holes that are here. And so that's what we got to do. We're going to have to take this one off. We're going to have to use it for a template, hopefully, and then drill this one out and then reassemble this one with this handle on and do it that way. That's the only thing I know to do. So let's get this thing broke down. And stuff. Let's talk about some of the tools we're going to need actually first. So because we're going to have to redo the holes, you're going to need a drill. You're going to need a drill bit. You are going to need a flat head screwdriver. You're going to need a crescent wrench, some WD-40. You might need one of these just in case they get a little snug and don't want to come off there. After you spray them with WD-40, you're going to need your ratchet set as well. So let's get to spraying this stuff here without further ado. See if we can't get these broke loose here and get this off of here in a timely fashion, shall we? I hope so. Just can't believe that done that like that. The reason why it needs replaced, every time you go to dump it, this wants to fold up on you now. So can't have that going on. Anyhow, let's see here. All right, let's see. Maybe, just maybe, we might get lucky here. Anybody feeling lucky today? Well, are you, punk? Are you? Nope, not feeling that lucky. Let's see here. Good, my living. Boy, it ain't gonna come off of there without a fight, I can tell you that now. Bye her. There no more. Good night. Yeah, they're stupid. We don't like spiders, do we? Man, I'm telling you the truth now. Alright. If it don't want to work that way, we'll simply put one of these here on there and see if that don't do it. Now, let's see if it won't come off this way. Okay, I'm ready. Oops. Ooh, boy. Okay, let's see here. Oh, come on now. Let's see. Maybe we just use a socket real quick. Get that. All right. There's that. Set the reverse.
Dad, I couldn't get this toy back.
Oh, come on.
You scared me. Daddy scared me to death. You scared me again.
Mm-hmm.
You scared me run to death. Do that work?
I don't know yet. Yeah, Care Bear.
Is that good for you?
Well, here comes the heat.
It wiggles my teeth like that.
Here comes the heat.
I smell some blood. Dad, I smell some blood in there.
There ain't no blood, Kai. Go on. Go play.
Ew. I smell something.
Go play, Kai.
I smell something coming out.
Mm-hmm.
Welding?
No, not welding. Have you ever seen me weld with a torch? Okay. Not with a torch.
Are you burning the metal?
No, I'm trying to. I don't know who invented flathead screwdrivers, but they were not the cream of the crop, I can tell you that now.
One eternity later.
Okay. Bringing out the big guns. Obviously, this is not going to go as planned. And so, here's the best way to do it. And I kind of figured this was going to end up being the way it had to be done, but I wasn't sure. So I wasn't going to do it that way until I knew that was probably going to be the only way to do it. And so, you're going to have to take and get a drill bit socket for your drill. This bit that you can put drill that you can put sockets on there. Okay, you're going to need that. Then you're going to need some vice grips. If we can even get the vice grips on there. I think we can. Let's see, we'll try the bigger ones first. Let's go with them. Okay, it's a little bit much. Oh, come on, guys. Grab a hold. Still too much. Let it off for a little bit. Alright, there we go. But much simpler. So definitely the way to do it. You may have to get new washers or stuff. So just know that up front. Let's see here. Much easier. I try to do it the simple way because most people aren't going to have this part right here laying around. Okay, that may have to be heated up there. Might as well just go on ahead and heat them all up. That way they're all heated up and done. Heating them up will help you a ton. So you seen how easy that came off there after I'd, and how hard this one is compared to that one. So just get them heated up. It really does help quite a bit. Yeah, I see. It swells and then it cools and creates a separation in there. It helps a lot. I've removed a many a rusty bolt and nuts and stuff when I worked at Phillips Machine Service. I absolutely despised doing it because it sucked. But I've done a bunch of them. They were all gunked up with coal mine dust and all kinds of mud and stuff, oil. Just put a torch to them and let the torch do the work. Some of them was a little bit more complicated than that, but especially if they was broke off, the head was broke off, you had to heat it up and use an easy out to tap it out. Yeah, Care Bear. Yeah, Kira.
So, all the time when you get popsicle, get the green kind. It's so good
Okay.
flavored.
Awesome. Mm-hmm.
A very, very old car.
Yeah. Now let's see what we can get done here with this. Trying to get this bolt out.
What are you doing?
I don't know, what are you doing?
I'm trying to do Hot Wheels. I want to play Hot Wheels with us.
Let me see if I can't put something on it. 9/16 here.
Trying to relive my East day because of handsprings. That one was not pretty.
Ah, you piece of crap. Ah. There we are. Yeah, see how I had to do that? All about leverage. I really need to get this done so I can do some gardening. Alright, so there's that. Now let's see. These down here I'm gonna worry about last. We'll just get this stuff together first. Let me see here. Oh, come on. I don't want to grab inside the barrel. Oh, really? Alright, let's see here. What's going on here? Let's try to get this one. We'll try to get this one, then we'll come back to that one there in just a minute. There it is. This is the first time I've ever had a real use for this set of ratchets I'm using right now. These Craftsman right here. I never really had a use for them. I've had them since 2016. I've only used them like maybe once just because I wanted to. This is actually the first time I've actually used them, and it's been beneficial to me. So, you know, you never know when you're going to need something that's going to turn around and work for you. So it's good to have tools, even if you don't use them often. There's always a purpose for them. So remind your wife always of the importance of all the tools that you have. That is a tip from yours truly here, Tim the Toolman Taylor, or Ryan, the tool man cook. Yeah. I like that better. All right, so now this thing here is pretty much toast. Oh, I don't want to break it off yet. Yeah, I almost did a boo-boo there, didn't I? I almost made a boo-boo. All right, so what do we want to do here? Grab these here, because there's plenty of room on these. Oh, man, maybe. Good night living. Nope. All right, there we go. Ooh-wee. Ooh, the lolly. Ooh, the lolly. Ooh, how wonderful. Pull the tire out. Ouch. Sit it over there. Now, let's get this out the way. That out of the way. Where is my tool? Here it is. All right, now, without hurting myself, let's see if we can loosen this one off. There we go. Come on now. There's this here. Good night. Phew. Huh? This is just a little more stiff than I anticipated it to be. No, ma'am, you didn't scare me. No, you're good.
I just don't want to spook you.
You're good, baby. You're good. Did I get it that time? I think maybe.
You found it.
Huh. Well, we broke that one off, ladies and gentlemen. That one just, how did Doc Holliday put it? Poor thing. He just couldn't stand the pressure. So, we'll have to get another one for that. But that's all right. So now, we're going to lay this one on here, just like so. Get this dirt out of here, maybe that'll help. Okay, now, turn it over here like this, I guess, and then
Daddy?
trace the holes like that. All right, so let's see. Let's see, stick a bolt through there, I think maybe. Yeah, we got it. Okay, cool beans there. Nope, not gonna work. Not too tight, too narrow. All right, so this is that needs to be on right here, and we're just gonna have to go with one hole, mark the other one right here. There's that one right there.
Bottom piece is broke.
Okay, got that lined up.
That is a
This one right here is quite a bit off as well. So there's that one. I'll drill this one right here. Yep. know. It's loud, ain't it? Loud, ain't it? All right, let's see if we can't put it together now. Just. All right, let's see here. I got a bolt. It's not the same one, but it is close and it'll work. So let's go ahead and remove the tire real quick. And we'll get this here all lined up here. 6:10, a full hour and a half full with one stupid handle on a wheelbarrow. All because nobody can make universal fitting parts properly, and they all sell them as universal fitting parts. And they don't expect you to fix it yourself because they know that it's aggravating. And they expect you to go and buy a new one. That's what they expect you to do. They don't expect you to sit here and fool with one handle for an hour and a half. No, they sell you this handle, this improper handle at a 60-inch length. That's supposed to be 60-inch, but it's actually more than that. They sell it to you like that because they don't expect you, being a consumer, to really go and fool with it that much. They wholeheartedly expect you to get frustrated with it. And once you get frustrated with it, they expect you to come from and buy a brand new wheelbarrow. They don't expect you to do all that. Like I say, they expect you to lay down, bring back the leg or the handle that doesn't fit, so they can sell you a new wheelbarrow at $189 or $200 or whatever the going rate is for a wheelbarrow now. That's what they, not yet, baby. That's what they expect you to do.
How do you get this back on?
Just like that. There you go. Right now, here. Just like that. Hold it right there, okay?
Oh, that's I mean you doing good teamwork.
Yeah.
But
It's okay. It's all right. You don't need it now. It'll tighten without it now. There you go. See, ta-da.
That's fun.
Wasn't that fun? It was a lot of fun, wasn't it?
Yeah.
This right here, like so.
Step on nothing.
Yeah, there good. For now, I think. Okay. So almost done here, ladies and gents.
So we do the same thing what we just did.
What? What's that?
We're screwing in.
Yeah, pretty much. There's that. So.
Wow. That car has a cage full of puppies?
Yeah, must be going hunting somewhere.
No, I think they're selling puppies.
I think. Tighten up them last ones there on the barrel itself. And we have made this 25-minute repair job an hour and a half. And you guys are lucky to have gotten to see it. What do you think, huh? All right, there's that. I got to tighten up these last ones here. I think I got to tighten. Hang on, baby. I gotta finish this up, okay?
Can I show you?
Just wait, Kara.
Can I show you how old
Let me get this. Watch your fingers. I could have hurt your fingers if you'd had them. I'm sorry. Alright, good to go. Now, that is how you put a new handle on your wheelbarrow. Dun, 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 dun. So, guys, we appreciate you watching this horrible video of how to change your wheelbarrow handle. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel and you're new here because you came to watch this video about changing wheelbarrow handles, I highly encourage you to go and check out the rest of what we do here on Homestead. We grow giant fruits and vegetables, 1,000+ pound pumpkins, got several state records, a couple world records and stuff. We grow lots of fun stuff. We grow lots of unique and rare vegetables and fruit during the summer also. We love doing experiments and stuff like that. So if your hobby is gardening or you're wanting to learn about giant growing, please go down there, click the subscription button. You won't regret it. I promise you that. And you can also find us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, Heavenly Hills Homestead. All right, guys, so appreciate you watching. We'll see you next time right here where? In the hollers and hills of West Virginia. That's right. Tell them all bye.
Bye.
Turn around here, y'all. Got to come over here and tell them bye.
Bye. Bye.
Don't forget to smash that like button. That notification bell.
Don't get the
Good job. Here you go. Thank you.
Don't get the
Don't forget to share. Yep. There you go. Good job. And subscribe.
Subscribe.